Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is our April CEO message. Well, welcome back everyone. I hope that in the course of the month of March you had an opportunity to get a little bit of rest in, because I know that the last 3 months of a school year are usually pretty hectic and stressful for students and teachers and basically anyone tied to education, including parents. So as I said, I hope March was an opportunity for some rest. I wanted to highlight a few things that are going on inside Learn, because we have been very, very busy since we've last spoken. First thing, the PRT team continues to do amazing work. The Brigade Culinaire been doing amazing work, and look for something special coming out of Quebec City, the Quebec City High School there. They've done wonderful work. I Belong project has been a success, and right now wanted to focus on the Good Night bag that we're doing in partnership with a number of our community partners. This really illustrates how when educators get together with community partners, a lot of excellent things can come out of this, and that serve the interests of our students, that contribute to their retention, their success rates. So again, kudos to Debbie and the PRT team. Hang in there, guys, and don't let up. Of course, our virtual campus team, after a quieter month, I don't want to say a completely quiet month, but a quieter month than usual, are back at it full steam. Our tutorials are back up and running. They already have over 1,100 sessions scheduled just for this week alone, and we'll be breaking records like crazy. Clearly, this is answering a particular need within our community. Parents and educators recognize this, and unlike other programs where it's simply homework support, and we do some of that as well, but we have an opportunity to establish a relationship and a rapport between the tutor and the student, so that they can identify areas where work and attention needs to be given. So again, congratulations to Diane, to the whole virtual campus team. The last 3 months, I suspect, are going to be crazier than ever. Our pedagogical services team, whenever I think of them, I think of the great innovative work that they're doing. They continue to offer workshops during the day and evening for our educators. They're constantly doing workshops that fill up very quickly. I urge you to take a look at what is posted on our website and register, because as I said, those posts fill up quickly. Here again, thanks Christine, thanks to the whole team. I'm really proud of everything that you continue to do there. I wanted to just finish up and mention that Learn's involved in an operation right now called Learn 2025, and it's really a question of establishing a strategic orientation for our organization going forward. That is to say, what will we be doing? What will we look like 5 years down the road? Now, the only way we can really even come close to estimating what that would be like is if we consult with our community partners, our educational partners everywhere. So we've already been in touch with a number of groups, and we will continue to do so in the coming weeks. If you don't hear from us, please reach out, because we want your input, we want your thoughts. We want to know how we can partner with you, how we can collaborate, so that we can contribute to student success, because that's really what we're all about. We're a non-profit organization. Our success is based on the fact that people use our resources and that they serve a meaningful objective. So be on the lookout, and as I said, if you haven't heard from us in the next coming few weeks, reach out. Until May, when I hope not to be wearing winter clothes, I will be wishing you a safe and healthy month. See you in 4 weeks.